warrant that was granted where you perjured yourself on the witness
I
stand?
don't believe I perjured myself.
You did perjure yourself.
But
No, that's up to you. You're not on your door.
yeah.
Do you understand that removal of implied rights of access?
It's got nothing to do with me. I've got a warrant from the court to action. That's what we're doing.
Is that warrant under the 54 or the 86 or 89 Act?
Mr. Ahmed was told what the warrant was issued.
Well, no, she refused to answer.
What's it
If you remember, no, the judge refused to tell the jurisdiction.
It was issued under the legislation. It's her exact words.
Also, you accept legislation. But I pointed out to you in here in legislation where it says that any damage you make to this property today has got to be made under legislation. It's got to be made good, not safe. It's got to be made good.
Is your legislation the same as my legislation?
It's exactly the same as your legislation.
There you go. This warrant doesn't tell me to do that. It just says enter.
So, okay, that'll be very interesting to see that. It will. I'm going to put you on notice that any actions by any locksmith, and this is why I'm putting you on notice now, any actions by any locksmith today, you are vicariously liable. British Gas is vicariously liable for any actions. Risk assessment. Have you done a full risk assessment today?
Right. I'm not going to go to it anymore.
Okay.
He's got third-party authority. You must.
No, I have to accept the third party authority.
Well, you must do, because you must accept the third party. How can you not do? That's what data protection is. Officers, can you just get your number, please? 3326.
Who's in there?
And okay, I just want to put you on notice as well. That any
Mr. Ahmed's in the premises.
have you got a risk assessment
Is
done?
he speaking to you?
Yes, yeah.
Andy.
He's been around this side there.
Have you followed health and safety, Andy? You're in, where's your work gear? Safety boots?
No safety boots.
Are they safety boots?
Mr. Ahmed, it's the police.
They're not
Could you
boots,
come
Anson.
to the window or
Come on,
open the door,
Andy.
please?
Come on, the
I've got
shoes.
third-party
The lightweight
authority to deal
trainers,
with
mate.
this
Get your
today.
boots on.
Are you accepting that?
He's been talking out the side window, so you might be able to address him easily there, officer.
There's third party authority for me to deal.
This side window?
Yeah, on the side there. He was just chatting with the British Gas outside there, explaining the position to them.
Mr. Ahmed?
Pantomime, innit, sir?
We're at the side, Wesley.
Can I just ask you, what are you acting as today? Peace officers?
You look like you're ready for a rat there, you know.
Third party authority for me to deal with this. If you want to know anything, you can deal with me. This is what's called the data protection.
This is what he wants to be for. Well, this government is fucking as well, you know.
It's the British Gas Board are going to come in under their warrant, as you're aware. If you do not communicate within the next 5 minutes, they are going to put the door in.
How are they going to put the door in, officer?
With a big red key?
Third party. I am Mr. Ahmed today. Third party authority.
Mark Gillard has third-party authority to speak on this matter.
Will never meet legal and law. Uphold your oath.
Mr. Ahmed is under medication. I've got third party to deal with this today.
This officer wants to read that.
Thank you. So if you want to engage about this with this property owner, you engage with me. I'm his lay representative today. How can I help?
I'm sure you've got better things to be doing. Criminals out there, you know.
Okay.
You know.
So, are you aware of the Section 26 of the Criminal Justice and Courts Act 2015? Would you like a copy of it? Basically, that says that any police officer who benefits a third party or causes Mr. Ahmed a detriment to them, a third party, that's an indictable offence. New legislation. Are you not aware of it?
Yeah, I know.
So you're on notice. If you outside
Has he been just round there?
He was just talking to this gentleman before, so.
How much round today?
Well, is it,
A man speaking to someone from the house, so I'll look down the side.
Hey, and the government's fucking used you. Hey.
Keep that door. Wesley? Wesley?
Yeah.
Are you going to come to the door?
Alongside the court because we found a way to discharge the debt, right? And they know full well we've got a full statement there for the court and they've rejected it because
You got your risk assessment, Andy?
I'm going to break the barrel.
Just make you know, Andy, that in 2007 a locksmith had to pay £9,000 in damages for doing what you're doing now.
That's you in the red, mate.
You're breaching health and safety. You've no safety glasses. You've no safety boots. You've no safety clothing whatsoever.
Andy.
You're acting outside of what you should be doing today. You connected with me earlier on. I asked you if you thought what you was going to do today was right, and I saw it that you thought it was wrong.
Are we in? Yeah, quick work.
Just let you know that your remit is not to go beyond them locks. If you do that, if you can't gain entry through the locks, you need to walk away, Andy. You're a young lad. How does it feel in your heart now doing what you're doing? Be careful of breaching that door any further than the locks. I'm putting you on notice.
You've got to make good any damage.
I'm putting you on notice. If you force that bolt, you're acting outside of your